the dopamine detox, that actually works. If you feel like you can't focus anymore, can't enjoy simple things, and spend hours scrolling without even realizing it, then you clicked on the right video. Today you'll learn what people call a dopamine detox, what it actually means, why your brain keeps craving more stimulation, and a simple roadmap to regain your focus and take control of your life. Let's get started. What is dopamine? First, let's clear up one big myth. Dopamine isn't bad. You don't need to detox dopamine. Dopamine is a natural chemical in your brain that helps drive motivation, learning, and reward. The real problem isn't dopamine itself, it's constant overstimulation. Think about your phone. One notification, one short video, one swipe, then another. Your brain keeps chasing the next interesting thing. After a while, normal activities like studying, reading, or working start to feel boring. Not because they're bad, but because your brain has become used to constant novelty. Why this happens? Imagine eating your favorite dessert once a week. It feels special. Now imagine eating it 10 times every day. Eventually, it doesn't feel exciting anymore. The same thing can happen with endless digital entertainment. When your brain is constantly jumping between short videos, social media, games, and notifications, it becomes harder to stay with slower, more meaningful tasks. This is why many people struggle to concentrate for even 20 minutes. Not because they're lazy, because their attention is constantly being interrupted. How to reset your attention. Step 1. Reduce constant stimulation. You don't have to throw your phone away. Start by turning off unnecessary notifications. Delete apps you rarely use. Keep your phone out of reach while studying or working. The harder it is to reach, the less you'll check it automatically. Make boredom normal. Again, most people try to escape boredom immediately, but boredom isn't your enemy. It's often the space where creativity and deep thinking begin. Go for a walk without music. Sit quietly for 10 minutes. Wait in line without opening your phone. These small moments help train your attention. Step 3. Replace, don't just remove. If you stop scrolling but replace it with nothing, you'll quickly go back. Replace scrolling with activities that give lasting value. Read 10 pages, exercise, learn a skill, write your thoughts in a journal, talk to a friend. The goal isn't to remove entertainment completely. It's to create a healthier balance. Step 4. Protect your first hour. The first hour after waking up is powerful. Don't start it with social media. Drink water, move your body, read, plan your day. Starting your morning with intention makes it easier to stay focused for the rest of the day. Step 5. Practice deep focus. Set a timer for 30 minutes. Work on one task, no phone, no multitasking, no notifications. Then take a short break and repeat. Your attention gets stronger the same way muscles do through consistent practice. A simple daily roadmap. Here's a plan you can start today. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Keep your phone away during focused work. Spend 30 minutes doing one task without distractions. Read at least 10 pages every day. Exercise for 20 minutes. Take one short walk without your phone. Avoid social media during the first hour after waking up. Before bed, ask yourself, did I control my attention today, or did my attention control me? Remember this, your attention is one of your most valuable resources. The apps on your phone are designed to compete for it, but every time you choose learning over scrolling, focus over distraction, and purpose over impulse, you become a little stronger. You don't need a perfect life. You just need better daily choices, because real change doesn't happen overnight. It happens one focused decision at a time, and that's how the dopamine detox that actually works becomes a lifestyle.